So today we're going to grab one of these little Christmas, like a snowman, and they have these in Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take one of this little floral foam. I'm gonna put some hot glue, make sure to place enough, and then place it inside like that, and then make sure to attach it, hold it into place, and to attach good. Once you do that, I'm gonna take this a mesh toolet, and then they have this in Dollar Tree as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it, and then I'm gonna cut it into a smaller piece, like a little square like that. Then after I make it a little square, I'm gonna just squeeze it down, put it like that, like make it like rounded like that, just to make a little flower type of thing. Put some hot glue in the middle, and then just attach it together so it can attach into place. Then I'm going to take one of these chocolate and place it inside, and then I'm going to take a toothpick and place it inside. Then go ahead and grab your cup and place it right there through the floral foam like that. Then I'm gonna grab a toothpick and place it through little like little trees and little branches. I'm gonna place around it like that. And don't forget to put a little bit of hot glue and then put the branches, because if not it will fall apart, and then just go ahead and place it inside like that. So you're gonna continue to do the same thing until you do a whole bunch of them and you fill out your whole cups like this one. Then once you do that, you put all the little branches and stuff inside. I'm gonna take this little owl they have in Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take, it's like to hang it in the Christmas tree, but we're gonna cut it because we're not gonna use her for that. Then go ahead and place a stick inside like that, and then we're going to place it right in the middle like that. And this is something like so cute, simple and easy when you go on to give like a little teacup or coffee cup of a cup like this. You don't have to give just a cup. Make it look super cute and easy. You give them chocolate and little cute owls. Now for the next thing, I'm gonna take one of this glass. I'm gonna place it in there, and they have this little cute Santa in Dollar Tree as well. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue on the bottom, and then I'm gonna place the little Santa inside, and then just attach it into place. Just hold it down for a little bit until it attach. Once you do that, this part you guys don't have to do it, but I'm gonna place a little bit of the snow like that. Just fill it out the bottom part just a little bit. Then I'm gonna take my little branches, this gold and white. I'm gonna place little white branches around it like that. I'm gonna do one on each side. Then I'm gonna take the little owl again, and I'm gonna place it in the middle like that with the branches. Then I'm gonna take a rubber band, and this is the way that I usually hold my flowers so it can stay in place and they won't come apart. Then you could also place a few little bit of chocolate before you put the flower inside. Then after you place chocolate inside, then just go ahead and put your little flower inside like that. Then after you guys do that, I'm going to take my little candy that we did with our green wrapper, and then we're just going to go ahead and place it inside. So we're gonna do a few here, but you could place as many as you want. You guys can place a lot of chocolate and different candy if you would like. Then I'm gonna take this red ribbon, I'm gonna cut it like that, and I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to attach it around the top of the glass like that. Then I got this rhinestone. This one I'm just gonna use one little line, so I'm gonna cut it into one little line. I'm gonna place it right in the middle like that. Then they have this cute little little bell, and I'm gonna just attach it into a long stick, and I'm just gonna place it around like that so it can look super cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the ribbon. I'm gonna place it at the bottom, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did on the top. And this is how beautiful, you guys. It turns out so cute and simple that you guys can do, and so inexpensive. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite, the first one or this one. These are two great gifts that you guys can do for Christmas. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.